that corner over there.
You better run for it, Alex.
Just be careful not to get burning.
I feel bad for you, man.
Tractor.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to run?
Start running.
Paintball curtain.
Alright, Alex. Dad's done. Give it to Chris.
Water.
Yeah, just go, Alex. You signed
Why
up
don't
for
you
it.
get out and run?
Y'all won't never hit me. Enough. He said that's
Shit,
enough.
bullshit.
Dad can hit you.
He said that's enough.
That's it?
It's my
Okay.
turn now. Wait till I get out there then.
Okay.
Okay, let him come on out.
Get out there and run.
Okay.
You gonna run? Oh,
Yeah.
you really gonna get fucked up then?
No, let him come out and then
Go on,
run.
Alex. Go ahead. Go. I'm watching him.
Wait a minute.
Alex, you're not even hitting him.
Okay, come
I'll
on.
hit him
a couple times.
Chris?
Don't hit the
Alright. Run, Alex. Run.
I think you're out, right? Well, you still got some.
Okay.